Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to change time on your Lenovo Horizon. So in order to do that, you will need to press this button or simply start button. Now scroll down and find settings. From here go to time and language and date and time. Now make sure that the set automatically is disabled and press on the change button. Here you have time settings and you can set it to whatever you want. And if you're happy with your changes, press on the change button and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.